Hello everyone and welcome back to Brainwaves. Today we are going to talk about the string indexing. Let me give the heading. We use the string indexing. String indexing is used to access one character at a time. One character at a time. So here you'll be able to see, let me add few rows here. If I am taking an example, str1 as suppose Python, and I want to access a particular character. But prior to that, let me tell you both positive and negative indexing values, how actually the indexing looks like by taking the similar example Python. So I am taking an example of Python only. These are the positive, how the positive indexing looks like. So I'm starting with 0. The positive index starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let me adjust a bit. And the negative index, how the negative index looks like. So here you will be able to see how negative index looks like. It is starting from the value -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, and the last value is -1. So here you will be able to see that how the positive indexing and negative indexing differs. The positive indexing value starts with 0 and goes on increasing up to the length of the string, up to the last character of the string. And the negative indexing, we start from the end of the string. The end character is n. From there we are starting -1. We are starting with -1 and then we are go on, we are decreasing the value. So -1, then -2, -3, -4, -5, and the first character will be -6. So this we will be requiring as a reference. So I want to index, I want to print the value. So if I am taking the string 1 and I want to check what is the value which is present at the index 2. So here you will be able to see the value which is present, the character which is present at index 2 is t. Let me take one more example. If I am taking, suppose, the value which is present at index 5. The value which is present at index 5 is n. Now let me take the negative indexing. So if I am taking str1 of, suppose, -1. So what it gives, you will be able to see if I am utilizing the negative indexing, then the character present at -1 is n. So here you will be able to see that the string 1, the character at index 5 and the character at index -1, both are same, but the only difference is one is utilizing the positive index value and another one is utilizing the negative index value. Let me take one more example. If I am printing now the values, the value which is present at, suppose I am taking 1 and I am taking utilizing the negative index this time, str1 of -5. So you will be able to see that both are pointing to the same y, both are pointing to the character y. So this is the difference between the negative index value and positive index value. Suppose I am taking one more example, that if I am printing this time the value of str1 of, suppose I am taking 0, and this time again here itself I will print, I want to print the character which is present at index -6, right? So it will both are pointing to the starting value. Here you will be able to see the character P is present at 0 if I am utilizing the positive indexing, and the character P is present at -6 if I am utilizing the negative indexing value or negative indexing. So I hope whatever I have tried to tell you, you people have understood. This is all for today. If you are having any query, you can put in the comments. Thank you.